Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here, and later on, we're going to find out in the stars as well. Well, I really think Bitcoin has gotten into a range here and trying to decide which way to go. I'm going to try to figure out whether it's going to go upwards a little bit or it's going to just go take the Royal Express elevator down to hell in today's episode. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm actually joined here with Crypto Barbie. Right, she's been commenting about the stars and the moon with regards to Bitcoin prices, saying that Bitcoin will go up based on, I don't know. You've said some pretty wacky stuff, so that's why I'm having this. Yes,
accurate.
I would call it wacky, but hey, let's share some of that wacky forecast with the rest of the people. You were saying something about the moon earlier, I remember?
Yes. We are having a new moon today, which indicates with 90% accuracy that we will close red.
Okay. We're gonna put the moon charts on the chart to see if that's the case in today's episode, as well as if you're interested in trading this, you could head over to bybit.davincij15.com, and remember, you know what, Casta is giving away some coin. They're going to be giving away some Casta coins there at bybit.davincij15.com. If you have, of course, bits, right? But so make sure you get some because Casta is going to be very big. Every single project that my friends have been working on have been very, very successful. Make sure you be a part of this one. Okay. Let's bring up the charts and remove this. And since, I have my indicator with the clear buys and sells, right? And it's clear there. Let's bring up your moon indicator. But I guess we should go to daily, right?
From Glassnode?
No, this is TradingView. And TradingView actually has a moon indicator.
Wow.
So we can actually add moons on here. So let's do that, right? Let's just type in moon.
Yeah, this is a new moon.
Yeah, I think they have all the moon phases. So there you go. There it is, right there. So I'm going to add the moon phases. Right. So you can see, I think this was a full moon here, and now we're going into the new moon phase, I guess.
Yes.
Alrighty. Let me just bring this smaller. I want to see what these. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so. Full moon is a new moon is down day and a full moon is up day, right?
Correct.
So this is a new moon right here.
Yeah.
And we hit the down, right?
We will likely close red.
Yeah.
90% accurate.
Yes. But you can see that it did go down on this this new moon right here. And so since we're going into a new moon here, you're saying that we're probably going to go down as well. This full moon, we went up right here, up here. You see? Full moon, and up we went. There we go. So it does have a little bit of positive, but this full moon went up a little bit and then, just went sideways and dead. This new moon...
It always TA as well. You can't trade on the moons alone.
Yes, true. No TA has, or any kind of analysis, has 100% accuracy. Yes, you can see that there is some cases where the moon phases do work out as planned, as predicted, right? This full moon here was upward momentum. This new moon says, hey, downwards, and it went sideways and up. So not quite 100%. And this new moon here, actually right here, actually is it a new moon or full moon? Was that a full moon? Actually, yeah, it was a new moon. This is new moon. This is full moon. I'm not sure. This is.
I can't see.
You can't see the screen. There's the top. The top is the top moons look like they're full moons, and the bottom ones look like they're new moons. Right. So I don't know. It looks like it's all in reverse, but I don't know. Let's see, because we're going into a new moon, so this has to be full moons right here at the bottom. And the top ones have to be new moons. So let's do that. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so this one right here, this new moon was 100% accurate. You can see right there, just straight down. down for the count. We got absolutely wrecked.
Was that December 4th?
That was around September. I remember you.
Oh,
I remember you telling me back then. Yeah. Sam. The moon. I remember that one. That was like that. You did get that one. That was pretty harsh, right? And I remember that one, right? But and then going forward, right? Okay, this full moon down here did indicate back in like the end of September. You're like, yeah, now it's time to get back in. And I'm like, no. And yes, it turns out, yes, it went straight up. So yeah, you got some. You got some a little bit there, right?
I was heeding a lot of warning before December 28th in your group.
That's true. That's true. That is so true. Okay. And yeah, you were also trolling people a lot around December 28th. I remember. Alrighty. So what else do you say for the rest of the week?
The rest of the week, we're going to range. We don't have a lot of positive astrological predictions coming up until Mercury passes retrograde on the 14th and the Mars gets out of Scorpio on the 18th. We do have a full moon on the 17th, which we could go up, but with Mars still there, I would say it would be a week up. And on the 23rd, we are green sky. So the third week in January, we should be quite bullish.
So you heard it here first. Third week in January, we're going to be quite bullish. Okay, that's some good news. Let's see, because we're waiting for what was it? Was it Mercury in retrograde? And retrograde is where the planet goes in reverse. It's not really going into reverse. It just seems like it's going into reverse because of the way you look.
Mercury has a big effect on Bitcoin's chart.
Okay.
All the planets do, not just the moons. In the meantime, if you want to trade this, scalp it. It's in a good range, $2,000 up and down.
So do you trade on this information?
Do I?
Yes.
I check the astrological chart if I'm going to put in a Bitcoin trade, yeah.
Pretty impressive. Interesting. All right. Well, I'm going to go back to the TA, right, and show people exactly what I'm going to be doing in the next little while. And you can see, oh, look at that. The moon is there clearly placed on the 4-hour, right? And it's saying, okay, we're supposed to be going down. This is supposed to be a down moon right now. And right now it's not turning into a down moon, but hey, you never know, right? So we got to look at that. There's no decision made with the Bitcoin price. So you're going to have to go to lower time frames and, see if there's any kind of clear markings of where this price action is going to go. And there's absolutely nothing at the lower time frames. It's just sideways action. So, it's time for us to just sit on our hands and wait for price to actually do something before we actually buy it. I'm betting that the Bollinger Band is probably squeezing here, and we won't have any kind of option to trade this just yet. So let's head over to Ethereum and see what's going on. Right, you can see that my indicator, right, there's what's it called, rocket indicator, sorry, the rocket indicator that you can buy by heading over to right over here to payments.rockinbrainer.io, and you can purchase this subscription for the indicator right here and have this on your TradingView platform. It's already indicated a buy, right? So if you're just in this buy, you're just gonna hold until it reverses to a sell. It's pretty straightforward. It's not much to do except watch this 4-hour chart every 4 hours to make sure that, hey, did this thing turn into a sell yet? Yes. And if it did, then you have to exit your position. What I would suggest you do right now, if you did enter in a position, it should be stopped to break even at this point, so you actually walk away with almost no trade, basically, because the market can turn against you very, very fast. So now that you're in a winning position, make sure you don't turn it into a losing position. Okay, clearly with the Hakanachi candlesticks, you can see a little bit of a W there, and Let's just switch it back to the regular Japanese candlesticks. And the W is still there. So we could see that Bitcoin could take us all the way up. I mean, sorry, Ethereum. Right? I'm going to draw the trend line. It looks like it could go over 4,000 again for a while, first time in a while. Well, it's not that been long, but you know what? First time for this year. So happy New Year, everybody. I hope you enjoyed your New Year's. I know I did. All right, and let's see where this thing could take us. Yes, look at that. All the way above the 4,000 level, right up to the 200 period moving average of the 4 hour, which will be a resistance level, and probably come all the way back down, maybe even to this particular resistance at close to $4,000, right? At $39,074. So that's where I would suggest you look at taking profits. Start looking at taking profits in that area. Okay. Right. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, and then before we close it off, because I'm going to end it very shortly. And is the dominance breaking down? Because I'm into, like, you know, earning more Bitcoin with my altcoin portfolio. And I want to see if this thing's breaking down. Look at that. We're on the cusp of breaking down. Wow, look at that. If this thing breaks, it's going to slide very heavily to the bottom. And we're going to see all these coins here just go explode massively. And this would be the time for it, right? I'm wondering, do you know if any of the astrological charts for let's see here, altcoins, if we can, like, predict that the astrologies will say, hey, we're going to have a good time in the alt space. I don't know, because I'm looking at
Bitcoin, I have to chart independently based on their birth date.
Okay. Alrighty, based on birth date. Then alrighty, so you have to independently chart each one. So do you do that at all?
Not yet.
Okay. Wow. Well, we're looking forward to seeing what you say on some of these altcoins. What would be your favorite altcoin?
VPAD.
VPAD. Wow. Okay. Yes. That's a good one. VPAD's a good one. Yes, I know, because you have like quite a bit on that, and did extremely well, didn't you?
Yeah. Thrilled with VPAD.
Alrighty. Well, yes, I have some VPAD, and I did extremely well in that. And yeah, check out VPAD. It's a launch platform, right? And that coin is going to do extremely well, because I'm going to be doing a video shortly how to stake your VPAD coins, because I'm going to be staking all of my coins so I can earn some more coins and earn a passive income. So you guys, I'm sure you're interested in that. So make sure you look out for that video that's coming up. All right. Well, thank you very much, Crypto Barbie, for joining us. We had a lot of fun today. It took us a while to get this thing running, but we did get it going, right? And yeah, we had fun.
And maybe we can do an alt show one day.
Yes, definitely. We'll do an alt show because the alts are going to be exploding very, very soon. So I hope everybody's got their alts bags loaded up, because, man, it's going to be a huge alt party. And you want to trade those alts into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Cheers.